Yo guys, what's up? It's XXWolfXX here, and we are reacting to My Strange Addiction, and this woman likes to chew diapers. This woman likes to chew diapers. This is the thumbnail you are going to see. Oh no, how about this? Yeah, this is the thumbnail you're going to see. I don't know. Yeah, this is the thumbnail you're going to see for the last time. Alright. So anyway, let's go ahead and react to this. My Strange Addiction. Okay, actually, it's even worse than I thought. Chewing dirty diapers. That means literally she is chewing dirty diapers with crap in them. Alright, whatever. Turn it up a little bit.
My name is Keisha, and I'm expecting my first child. And I love sniffing and chewing dirty diapers.
Sniffing and chewing dirty diapers.
It has to have pee in it. It has to have pee in it.
Has to have pee in it.
The heavier ones that have more pee smell better. Yeah. This one's soft. I love it. It just tastes amazing.
It just tastes amazing.
I have one while I'm cooking in the kitchen. I have one in my drawers. I have one while I'm sleeping. I keep some in my trunk. I keep some in my pocketbook.
No, for real. Tastes good.
Hold on. Okay, continue.
I find a lot of diapers, like, all over the place. There's a diaper.
Probably a pig's crying. It's very annoying because she doesn't care what time it is. She'll wake my baby up to take the diaper that's on the baby.
I want to take this one off of her here.
Oh my God,
She's gonna cry. We're gonna take this one off. Yeah, this is ready to go.
Yeah, this is ready to go.
She's sleepy. Don't change her diaper right now. She's gonna cry. It's nasty. This is
Dang right it is. God.
My addiction to diapers started about 3 years ago. One of my friends was changing her baby, and she gave me the diaper to throw out. And I kept it for like a week, and I smelled it like every morning, night.
25,000?
It's ridiculous.
I'm throwing my stuff out. Come on.
She's even willing to dig in the garbage for her diapers.
I'm gonna smell them just one last time, and then you can have them.
I'm gonna smell them just one last time and then you can have them. No.
Please.
No.
I like dirty diapers. That's what I want. That's what I need to have.
Dirty diapers. That's what I want. That's what I need to have.
You don't need to have
The
it.
diapers, they decay after a certain time. It'll start to like mold a little bit. Oh, there's flies all of a sudden. People looking for my diapers out.
I don't understand.
My name's Keisha, and I'm addicted to chewing on dirty diapers. The fact that I'm smelling it and then chewing it. Some people don't have a stomach to see anything nasty, so they're just like, oh, this is disgusting. I need it.
I need it.
Her addiction has gone too far. Like, that's not a lie.
Congratulations. Here you go. I'm excited. Yes, those are cloth diapers. I feel like you need this to help you move forward with your addiction. Are you kidding?
It's weird. Do you have diapers in your possible curtains?
Kill
What do you
me.
mean, yeah, I do? This is my travel one. I just travel with this one. Are you going to lose your fiance because you sniff diapers?
Yeah, you gonna lose your
I
husband.
know it's my life and I'm going to do what I want to do. I just like sniffing dirty diapers.
This is an issue.
Everybody keeps saying it's an issue. It's not an issue to me.
Tell me, you have the diaper.
I actually have one.
So let me see. So you sniff and then you nibble. Well, how do you feel now that you're about to give birth and have your own supply?
I feel great.
Yeah, because now you can lease one iPhone 8 with the other one on Sprint. And you get the best price for unlimited. I'm the new Sprintern. Sprint plus intern. Yeah, clever, right? Speaking of, I'm gonna. Yeah, now you're going to give your phone to.
You guys, she does not. That means there is in diapers there is and
I like Diet Coke. It's super good. And now they have new flavors like iced tea cherry.
like what the frick is this lady gonna do?
Just like I'm into getting a haircut and then waiting for people to ask, did you get a haircut? Oh, maybe you're into friends who leave voicemails?
I'm done with this episode. Peace.
Whatever you're into.